We're going to Hong Kong. Tara. You can eat here some noodles if you want. Hi. Nanaday mo?
Grabe, lisod kaayo day magulat sa terminal of 5 hours.
Fresh pa ko.
Kamusta mong tulog doon? Wapo lagi kag maleta, pink.
Bawal magbisaya ha. English lang jud, English. Pasyal tayo.
Grabe, kalisod tulog ganiha. Uy,
We're here at the lounge. Yes, good job.
parang sulit sa'yo ah. Enjoy na enjoy. Sopa, cereal, yummy. Chache.
Tara na, oh, boarding na. Let's go. Kobe, doon ka sa window seat ha. Upo mo agad. Bilisan mo kasi daddy. Baba na tayo. Descend. Yeah, we're in Hong Kong. Gani. Diretong bagahe. We got octopus card for the kids and we're gonna use Go Time for adults. Time. Okay, let's go.
Mali man mo og direksyon pa dito man.
Abby's favorite store.